wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 5 best smart jump ropes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 5. Though it won't actually record any information for you, the inexpensive Fit to Live Adjustable includes an app that offers video tutorials on a number of different workouts, not only those involving skipping, so you can develop a well-rounded routine. It offers a 9-foot maximum length and an armband for your phone, but the item itself has no digital features. At number 4, if you'd rather not mess around with a tablet while you're exercising, consider the Keweis Fitness. It has a built-in display that can show you how long you've been at it, so you won't need to stop and check your phone, only to get distracted by notifications. It comes with a carrying bag and ergonomic rubber handles. It can be used cordless or in the traditional manner. Coming in at number 3 on our list, with the Just For You Record, a simple push of the lone button can cycle through a wealth of different data settings to help you monitor your progress. And by pressing and holding it, you can sync to a mobile device and set a training target to shoot for. It connects via Bluetooth and comes with a useful user manual. There are 2 colors to pick from. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for smart jump ropes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, for a truly wireless experience, the Sharbay Digital can be operated without the provided cord. You won't have to worry about untangling it before you begin your workout, and users of any size can incorporate it into their gym routines. It's equipped with a large LCD screen and sweat-proof elastic sponge handles. Batteries are included. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Tangram Factory works with the Smart Gym app for iOS and Android, allowing you to keep track of the skip count as well as the amount of calories burned. It sports 23 bright LEDs that display your increasing numbers as you exercise. It lasts for up to 36 hours on a charge and works with many other fitness apps too. It's available in 3 sizes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for smart jump ropes, or simply click beneath this video.